Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Muah AI. Whether you're into creating art, enhancing your content, or just exploring AI tools, Muah AI is packed with features that can help. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, what exactly is Muah AI? Muah AI is an advanced platform that uses artificial intelligence to assist with various tasks, like generating art, enhancing visuals, automating content creation, and much more. It's super intuitive, so don't worry if you're new to AI. Let's break it down step by step. To get started, head over to the Muah AI website. If you don't have an account yet, click the Sign Up button and fill in your details. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or even your social media profiles. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start using all the features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here's where all the magic happens. You can see your recent projects, access different tools, and explore all the available features. Muah AI offers templates, content generation options, and a lot of customizable features for your creative process. Let's check out one of the coolest features, art generation. To start creating, click on the Create Art tab. You'll be prompted to enter some parameters, like the style, color palette, and any keywords for inspiration. Let's say I want a surreal landscape with futuristic elements. Type that in, hit Generate, and in just a few seconds, Muah AI creates a stunning piece of art for you. As you can see, you can easily adjust the results by tweaking the settings. Muah AI is great at understanding creative prompts and giving you high-quality results, whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator. Aside from art creation, Muah AI also offers other incredible tools like text-to-speech conversion, content suggestions, and even social media post automation. So if you're a content creator, this can save you a lot of time. You can adjust the tone, language, and style of your posts or scripts for a personalized touch. Once you're happy with your creation, it's super easy to save or export it. Simply hit the download button and select the format you need, whether it's an image, audio file, or text. You can also share it directly to your social media accounts straight from the platform. And that's a wrap on today's Muah AI tutorial. As you can see, it's an incredibly versatile tool that can help you with a variety of creative projects. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how Muah AI can boost your creative workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Catch you in the next one.